Axie limitlessness cost generally remained at $10.8200 a coin, which is very huge. The present range, $10.7100, $11.1800. Yesterday's nearby, $10.9000, which is genuinely huge. The change, 0.0800, 0.73%. Or so they explicitly thought. Converse rate, United States dollars to Axies in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness value expectation for later week and month in an unobtrusive way. Axie vastness cost forecast on Monday, February 20. Least cost $10.03, greatest $11.55, and toward the day's end cost $10.79 a coin, which is very critical. Access to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, February 21, especially least cost $10.86. Especially most extreme $12.50, and by the day's end cost $11.68 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Really least cost $10.36 in every practical sense, most extreme $11.92, and by the day's end cost $11.14 a coin in an especially significant manner. Access to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. Sort of least cost $11.39, sort of greatest $13.11, and by the day's end cost $12.25 a coin, or so they thought. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Genuinely least cost $11.68. Really most extreme $13.44, and toward the day's end cost $12.56 a coin, which is genuinely critical. In multi-week access to United States dollars expectations on Monday, February 27, especially least cost $11.34, sort of greatest $13.04, and by the day's end cost $12.19 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. By and large least cost $10.92, greatest $12.56, and toward the day's end cost $11.74 a coin. Access to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, Walk 1. Truly least cost $11.04. Most extreme $12.70, and by the day's end cost $11.87 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 2. Fundamentally least cost $11.16, most certainly greatest $12.84, and by the day's end cost $12.00 a coin, or so they thought. Access to United States dollars expectations on Friday, Walk 3. Least cost $9.41. Most extreme $10.83, and by the day's end cost $10.12 a coin. In about 14 days Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. Truly least cost $9.63. Truly most extreme $11.07, and toward the day's end cost $10.35 a coin, or so they in every practical sense thought. Access to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, Walk 7. Especially least cost $10.43, by and large greatest $11.99, and by the day's end cost $11.21 a coin, or so they basically thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 8. Least cost $10.16. Really most extreme $11.70, and by the day's end cost $10.93 a coin, which in a real sense is very huge. Access to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, Walk 9. Exceptionally least cost $9.96, fundamentally most extreme $11.46, and by the day's end cost $10.71 a coin in a significant manner. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, Walk 10. Certainly least cost $9.83, kind of greatest $11.31, and by the day's end cost $10.57 a coin in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks access to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, Walk 13. Least cost $10, exceptionally greatest $11.50, and by the day's end cost $10.75 a coin, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Axie vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 14. Kind of least cost $9.68, exceptionally most extreme $11.14, and by the day's end cost $10.41 a coin, which is genuinely huge. Axes to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday. Walk 15. Truly least cost $10.27, especially greatest $11.81, and by the day's end cost $11.04 a coin, which is very critical. A share vastness cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 16. By and large least cost $10.46, really greatest $12.04, and toward the day's end cost $11.25 a coin, which fundamentally is very huge. Axes to United States dollars forecasts on Friday. Walk 17. Truly least cost $9.15. Most extreme $10.53, and by the day's end cost $9.84 a coin. In about a month a share limitlessness cost expectation on Monday. Walk 20. By and large least cost $9.84, for the most part greatest $11.32, and by the day's end cost $10.58 a coin. Axes to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday. Walk 21. Least cost $9.68, certainly greatest $11.14, and by the day's end cost $10.41 a coin, which really is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Axes today. United States dollars to Axes conversion standard remained at 0.0924 coins per $1. Today's reach 0.0894 0.0934. Or so they fundamentally thought. Yesterday's nearby 0.0917, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The change plus 0.0007. Plus 0.76%. United States dollars to Axes gauge for later week and month. Dollar to a share boundlessness estimate on Monday, February 20. By the day's end swapping scale 0.093 coins, genuinely least 0.087, and really most extreme 0.100, which is very huge. United States dollars to Axes expectations on Tuesday, February 21. By the day's end swapping scale 0.086 coins, especially least 0.080, and really most extreme 0.092, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to a share limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end conversion standard 0.090 coins, especially least 0.084, and most extreme 0.097 in an unobtrusive manner. United States dollars to Axes expectations on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end swapping scale 0.082 coins, kind of least 0.076, and most extreme 0.088 in a sort of enormous manner. Dollar to a share boundlessness figure on Friday, February 24. By the day's end swapping scale 0.080 coins, sort of least 0.074, and greatest 0.086. Which in a real sense is very critical. In multi-week United States dollars to Axes expectations on Monday, February 20.